This is the sample for CNC in spin Pade. Now we will try to duplicate this one. This one's coming from carving because it has a paper tracing look, handmade carving, but this one came from CNC. I made this from ArtCam and transfer to AlphaCam, then cut to spin Pade. Okay, this is the manual carving. See, sample this one. This has a paper. See, look. Now the result from 5-axis spin Pade is this one. Okay, as you can see, I cut this one. Roughing is 6 milli ball nose and 2 milli ball nose finishing. This one is handmade carving. Okay, see the difference. Okay, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This sample is a handmade carving. Okay, has a fake paper for tracing. Look, so look, it is a little bit round here, then going down, then up. See, this one is the CNC. Came from spin Pade, 5-axis. This one. Okay, this is the hand carving. So, how did I made the CNC from this one sample? I have no laser to duplicate, the same as Plexicam has Scantech, laser Scantech. So I use a estimation. I duplicate this one. I mark this one from paper, then transfer to CAD software. CAD. This one, this all details. This one size, this size. Every detail I take and put on the CAD file. This one is the CNC. Okay, I use ArtCam to make the design, then transfer to AlphaCam, and then cut into spin Pade. Okay, this is the spin Pade. I use a finishing. First is the finishing 6 mm ball nose, and then onward is the 2 milli ball nose for detail. See, this is the cut from CNC, and this is the carving. Okay, I will show you the ArtCam and AlphaCam later.